Welcome to Particular and Rao Academy. You go any exam, according to the number theory, one question will be given. What is the meaning of a number theory? Now I will explain. First concept I am taking by the congruence. What is the meaning of a congruence? That means let a comma b and n, a comma b and n be integers, n value will be greater than 0, then we say that A is congruent to B modulo n. What is the meaning of that sentence there? Means n divides A minus B. n divides A minus B. We denote this by A is congruent to B mod n. What is the pronunciation there? Means A is congruent to B modulo n. A is congruent to B modulo n. What is this meaning there? Means here I will explain one example. If you 25 divide with the 3 8 are 24, that remainder value 1. Actually this is the process. Now how to write symbolically there? Means 25 is congruent to original number, 25 is congruent to B. B means remainder. B means remainder 1. Which number you are dividing? Mod 3. This meaning is 25 is congruent to 1 modulo 3. Modulo 3. This is the meaning of a congruence. Once again, a comma b and nb are the integers, n is greater than 0. Then we say that a is congruent to modulo n if n divides a minus b. We denote this by a is congruent to b mod n. What is the meaning there? Means 25 minus 1. 25 minus 1, 24. 24 is exactly divisible with the 3. This is the meaning of a congruence. Now, what are the properties of congruence? Here one properties I am explaining. For suppose heterostretchy properties. First, if A is congruent to B mod n and C is congruent to D mod n, that means according to this meaning, I will take by the two congruence values, two congruence steps. What are the steps I am writing there? Means 4 is congruent to 1 mod 3. It is correct or not? 4 minus 1, 3. 3 is divided with the 3. So this is the first one. Now same manner, second one I am taking. Example. C is congruent to mod n. N value don't change. That means, for suppose I will take 7. 7 is congruent to 1 mod 3. 7 minus 1, 6. Don't take by 1 as it is 1. If you take any number and check it. So, I will take by the two congruence values. Now, what are the properties? One by one, I am explaining. First property, A plus C is congruent to B plus D mod n. Here, two examples. This condition is possible, then automatically A plus C is congruent to B plus D mod n. It is true or not once you check it. A plus C. This is the A, this is the C. A plus C. 7 plus 4. 11 is congruent to 1 plus 1. 2. Mod 3 as it is event. It is true or not? 11 minus 2. 9. 9 is divisible with the 3. So, A is congruent to B mod n. C is congruent to B mod n. Then automatically A plus C is congruent to B plus D mod n. First property proved. Now once you see the second property. A minus C is congruent to B minus D mod n. What is the meaning? AC BD. Here also AC BD mod value 3. How to prove it there? Means 4 minus 7. Minus 3 is congruent to B minus D, 1 minus 1, 0, mod 3. Once you check it, minus 3 minus 0, that means minus 3. Minus 3 is divisible with the 3, that means minus 1. Now, Third one, AC. AC means 7 4 jar. Third property, 7 4 jar. 28 is congruent to BD. 1 1 jar 1 mod 3. Here you observe 28 minus 1, 27. Everyone, if you subtract it, because n divides a minus b. 28 minus 1, 27. 27 is divisible with the 3. This is the AC is congruent to BD mod n at the same time. Fourth property. PA plus QC is congruent to PB plus QD mod n. For all integers p comma q. For all integers p comma q. For suppose, let to p equal to 2, q equal to 3 I am taking. For proving purpose, this value, this section, PA plus QC. PA means 2 4 jar. H plus QC. Q value 3, C value 7. 3 7 jar. 21 is congruent to what saying PB plus QD. 2 1 jar 2 plus QD. QD sense Q value how much? 3. 3 1 jar 3 mod 3. It is true or false? Once you check it. 21 plus 8 29 congruent to 2 plus 3 5 mod 3. 29 minus 5 20. 24 is divisible with the 3. So second property also proved. Next one, AX equal to BX mod n, where X is any integer. AX equal to BX, only first one we take. If you take any X value, let X value 5 I am taking for suppose. Substituting this one, 5 4 jar. 20 is congruent to BX. BX means this is the B. 5 1 jar 5 mod 3. 20 minus 5 15. 15 divisible with the 3. So AX is congruent to BX. That means A is congruent to mod n. That means if you take by AX is congruent to BX mod n. So proved. What is the next property? That means A power m equal to B power m. That means powers if you increase. For suppose, I will take by the A equal to 2, B equal to 3, A power m, sorry. For suppose, m value 3 you consider, that means A power m, 4 cube, congruent to 1 cube mod m, mod 3. It is true or not? 4 cube. 64 minus 1, 63. 63 divisible with the 3. So, here also condition will be possible. So, this concept is called by the congruence. What is the importance of congruence? Any two numbers that divide with the n, you get remainder value is exactly divisible by the n. This concept is called by the congruence. This is simply denoted A is congruent to B mod n. A is congruent to B mod n. Here some properties. Any two congruences are there. Then plus also possible, minus possible, multiplication. If you take by the any two values, P and Q. Next one will be, if you multiply with the any constant value, next, powers increase on both sides, then get the same result. This is the concept of a congruence. What is its importance, everything, next video I will explain. And also, if you like this video, please subscribe, share, comment it. Thank you.